Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Now this is really exciting. Look at this. This is simply beautiful. We never saw this before, but Shiba Inu is an investment, so be careful not to treat it as one. But that being said, even if it's not an investment, if you put Shiba Inu, if you put like $200 into Shib a year ago, you would have been a millionaire by now. A lot of us didn't know about Shib, and you really don't want to miss out on this. Using Shiba instead of Dogecoin to buy a snazzy jersey, but giving Shiba Inu is considered the next Dogecoin, or perhaps the better version of Doge. It reminds me of my April 1 article about Doge. Thank you so much for dropping a like. But in my April article, I used the example of Wooder Apparel, a company that specializes in customized team jerseys. It has started accepting Doge for online payments by its customers. I lamented that if I had bought $50 of Doge at the end of 2020, I would have been able to pay for an order of 10 jerseys with that small sum in just 3 months. So Dogecoin was trading at 0.0047141 cents at the end of December. By March 31st, it was at 0.05, 10,000% higher. In May, Doge had gone into the stratosphere, trading at just 74 cents. As I write this, it is at 20 cents, 4,000% higher. So I bought $50 of Doge at the end of 2020 with greenbacks, and then I paid my jersey with greenbacks instead of Doge. He's basically saying with Shiba Inu, I'd have 10 jerseys and $1 million in greenbacks. But of course, that transaction never would have happened because, as I know, Wooder doesn't accept Shib as tokens for payment. So, someone bought the jersey with Doge, and, he bought it when it was very cheap. But now Doge is worth a lot more, and he basically paid a lot of money for his thing. So I would have 1,010 jerseys and $1,500. So that being said, if you pay with Shiba Inu for food, just know that Shiba Inu might be worth a lot more. So utility, Shiba Inu, people are saying Shiba Inu has no utility. I will not blindly follow any cryptocurrency that doesn't have a utility built in it. I'd be surprised if Shib overtook Doge. Sam Bankman-Fried, chief executive at cryptocurrency derivative exchange FTX, but anything can happen, and indeed it can, and it can maybe actually outperform Dogecoin. As said in top, it's hard to take Shiba Inu seriously when it trades at these prices, but like penny stocks trading under $5, if I have $50,000 to invest, why would I consider Ideanomics at $2.40 when I can own Nvidia at $228? So that being said, it does seem like, let's face it, buying Shib USD is akin to buying a lottery ticket. It's a huge lottery ticket right now, but we all want that cash. We all want those gains. So if you can be honest about this fact that Shiba Inu is in fact a gamble, after it gets utility, it's going to have a lot more work. I talked with the developers, and they told me, some great things that I wanted to hear. Hey Netflix, you guys have a moment, Shiba Inu Shib Army, and for the slow homies in the back of the class, level up action and show has a release date, plus the app lined up on a horizon. Like really awesome so far that Shib is growing. Shib is heavily growing right now. Netflix partner with Shib, I definitely do want to see that. But Netflix, talk with Shiba Inu. We need to see a huge listing right now. That's what I want to see. So definitely be sure, by the way, to check out Surge Inu, which has a super low market cap right now. You don't want to miss this. You seriously don't want to miss this project. Links in the description below. This is my own project, and I'm going to be airdropping the tokens. I'm going to be putting into the development. I'm going to be launching so many things. It's going to be a token with utility. So if meme tokens need utility, this is going to be burning both Shiba Inu, and this is going to be burning both Surge Inu. So this is going to be making the token naturally deflationary, giving you rewards if you're super early than it is right now. Right now, it's in a pre-sale for a limited price only. And part of 6% of distribution also transferred to our huge burn wallet, making Surge naturally deflationary. So Surge, is going to get burned a lot more. Major coin burn is going to be happening. It's simple to buy. It has an expanding ecosystem. And also, Mike, the situation saying it's happening. It's definitely happening. Something big is around the corner, and Shiba Inu is about to explode. People are saying Shiba Inu has no utility, but liquidity pools and everything else, it is happening. Rewards in Shib, Bone, Ethereum, USDC, with Bitcoin, DAI, and USDT. NFTs can worldwide online payments, layer 2 blockchain, and full DAO governance, which basically means Shiba Inu does in fact have a lot of utility, and that's something I wanted to see. Shib actually does its own things, and it does them correctly. Truly, 99% have no clue how big Shib is. And seeing this astronomical growth, it does seem so far that Shiba Inu is going to be growing more. So more people are trading SHIB than Bitcoin now in Binance. I would say this is crazy. But what's crazy for other projects is normal for SHIB Army. So both of these will be growing. Like look at this. Like SHIB is exploding barriers, and we never saw this so far. But, you know, Billy M2K and the Dogecoin and Satoshi Creator also had a bit of actual disagreement, but holding until we at least pass Doge. So people are going to be holding at least we destroy Doge, and we're not going to destroy Doge. Doge is always going to be living. And it doesn't need, Shiba Inu doesn't need to kill Doge. You know, it's going to happen at some point. Someday, Shiba Inu is going to be stronger than Doge, but that's completely fine. Not financial advice, just trying to live my life free. How about you? Let there be positivity and light on SHIB. Reshare this, and 10 million coins will get you 100,000 at 1 cent. So just 10 million coins will get you 100,000. You know, just buy and forget. It's that simple. If we saw these gains for Shiba Inu, we can see them once again. And this is happening right now. Even experienced day traders who sell are rebuying SHIB, slightly retraces randomly and when it feels like it. No technical analysis works anymore. SHIB is just going up. Never say one coin can never do something, especially a coin like SHIB. The world knows this is it. The chance is low, even if it's just for some publicity. The naysayers don't matter. They'll buy at some point. Enjoy the ride. So it's going to be growing. And look at this. Look at this. It's on TV right now. Look at how much Shiba Inu has grown. It's on TV. And look at this pool. Like, this is a Shiba Inu holder, 100%. Because if you check out this, he has a pool, he has a beautiful garden, and he has a TV on his front yard. This tells me that this guy already profited from SHIB and is now holding for fun. Look at this, and he has a dog over here. Isn't that exciting? He's basically listening about Shiba Inu. He has multiple dogs. He has 3 dogs, and he's a heavy investor in SHIB. And, you know, if you see the real financial markets talking about SHIB, it just tells you the crazy potential it actually has. Like, SHIB is breaking barriers. I really don't think Musk had much to do with this. People associate Musk with Doge, not SHIB. And he has a little to do, but there were a lot of other things that were boosting Shiba Inu up. You know, if someone actually records this from this house, I hope you all get a beautiful house and 3 dogs like this, because this is looking really, really exciting. Like, Shiboshis are coming, which is a huge factor that it proves that Shiba Inu actually has utility. And Shiboshis, you know, are already here probably, but with Shiboshi's burn, with a huge burn, this is only going to go up. So this is a significant development because Dogecoin co-creator Billy Marcus recently revealed that he sold off his entire cryptocurrency holdings in 2015 so that he could afford a Honda Civic. I love Billy Marcus, but you don't want to be that guy. Marcus had later revealed that he never went on to buy the car and spent $10,000 earned from Dogecoin sale to pay his rent. So, you know, paying rent instead of being having 5 million of coins, well, who knows? Look at this. This is such a cute dog. And it definitely does tell me that I don't want to be this guy. I don't want to be the one that sold SHIB in 2021 because I had to pay rent. No, I'm going to be holding. If we are at $0 or if we're at $15, I'm going to be holding SHIB. Either I'm going to be on my yacht, I'm going to be having SHIB parties, and we're all going to be there